Hello everyone, welcome to Meda's Bridge. Now we see Java OOPS concepts. Java Object-Oriented Programming Concepts we abbreviate as Java OOPS concepts. We say Java OOPS. Prerequisites for Java OOPS. We should have a basic core Java programming knowledge, and we should also have any one of the Java IDEs like Eclipse or IntelliJ for code simulation. Java OOPS. Java OOPS is a fundamental concept in Java that every developer should know. OOPS means Object-Oriented Programming. Java Object-Oriented Programming is a high-level computer programming language that implements objects and their associated methods within the programming context to create software programs. Java is a pure object-oriented programming language except for primitive types like int, char, float, double, boolean, byte, lang, etc. OOPS in Java revolves around the classes and its objects. It helps in organizing code in more modular and reusable, scalable, and more easy to maintain and debugging. Objects are nothing just like real world entities such as car, bus, box, table, chair. Java revolves around the objects with which we achieve inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstraction. Java objects means real world entities such as car, bus, box, table, chair, etc. We create objects for classes. If you look into the picture, we have three cars are created from the blueprint of this picture. Likewise, we create Java objects from the classes with which we achieve four pillars of Java objective-oriented program concepts that are inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstraction. Inheritance is for code reusability, encapsulation is for code security, polymorphism is for code flexibility, abstraction is for code simplicity and structure. Using these four pillars, we achieve code reusability, code security, and code flexibility, and code simplicity and structure. Object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm or pattern of programming based on the concepts of objects. The solution to a programming problem is modeled as a collection of collaborating objects. Objects can contain data and code. Data in the form of fields, which are attributes, and code in the form of procedures, which are methods or functions. A common feature of object is that the methods are attached to data and can access and modify the object's data fields. It is most suitable for managing large complex problems. Here we see the keywords like we revolve around objects, classes, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. Now we look more into Java object-oriented programming concepts. Encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Before going to OOPS concepts, we first know what is meant by class and what is meant by object. The class means it's a blueprint or a template that defines properties and behaviors for creating objects. Objects are created by classes. Object means it's an instance of class representing real-time entity. Now we look into OOPS concepts. First we start encapsulation. Encapsulation means binding data and code into single unit. Restricting access using access modifier like default, private, protected, public. Using this technique we achieve code security. Now coming to inheritance. Inheritance means one class inherits the properties and behaviors of another. Like child inherits the properties and behaviors of parent. This is called parent-child concept. In this concept we have two types: single inheritance and multi-level inheritance. Using this inheritance technique, we achieve code reusability. Now coming to polymorphism. Polymorphism means same method behaves differently based on object or context, like method overloading and method overriding. Using these techniques, we achieve code flexibility. Now, abstraction means hiding internal implementation and showing only functionality, which is abstraction data, abstraction method, and interfaces. With this technique, we achieve code simplicity and structure. These are the little more about OOPS concepts. Using these concepts, we achieve secured, reusable, flexible, simple and structured code. Object-oriented programming follows the bottom-up approach in the program design. OOPS treats data as a critical element in the program development. OOPS binds data more closely to the functions that operate on it. Programs are divided into what are known as objects. Data is hidden and cannot be accessed by external functions. Objects can be communicated each other through functions. New data and new functions can be easily added on need basis. OOPS is faster and easier to execute. OOPS provides clear structure for the programs. Do not repeat yourself means makes code easier to maintain and modify and debug. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, click on the bell icon and please leave the comment. Happy learning. Thank you. Stay tuned to the upcoming sessions.